Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to TechTekk. Today we are unboxing the Tesla wall connector Signature Edition. Order a Tesla today via the link in the description and you'll receive 1,000 free supercharged miles that you can use at any supercharger location. So to unbox this, they have two tabs at the bottom. Let's just get into the box first. Slice. Oh, slice. Like that. And let's open up the box. So we got some protective film or polystyrene on the top. And inside the box we have, of course, the user manual. Basically tells you how to install the wall charger. What else do we have? We have some support bracket. I guess that's for the electrician to install the wall charger onto the wall. We have some fittings and screws, and underneath here we have some more polystyrene. What do we have here? We have the spacer and the internal, and I'm guessing this is the back piece of the wall connector. Have a look. So yeah, so this is the part that goes onto the wall like that way. So if I have the wall, then it would sit on like this, and then the wall plate goes on the front. Anything else under there? No, there's just more storage. I'll put that back in there. Okay, right, now we've got the beautiful wall connector itself, which is quite heavy. In fact, it's not the lightest of things. Where's my scissors gone again? Open this. It's not like a pulling out of an iPhone cover, but there it is. The Tesla wall charger itself. It's the Signature Edition, so it's got Elon Musk's signature on the front. It's in matte black. In fact, it doesn't weigh too much. I guess on the wall it'll sit like this, like that. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. In matte black edition, as you may or may not know, I have a black edition Model 3 on its way within the next couple of months. So that will go nicely on the wall and will be the one that we'll plug in. Let's see what else we've got in this box then. It's all over the place. How do I get this out? Okay, so I cut this. I'm not too sure how long this adapter or the cable it has on here, but I will find out. Right, how do I get this out of the box? Okay, there we go. Nice and easy. And I guess this is the end of the connector that goes inside the Tesla. And again, that has a matte black plate with the Tesla logo on it, and then the button which will flip up the Tesla charging port on the actual car. So that is it. Yeah, so that is the connector. So yeah, so let's get this one out as well, and you can see how long the cable is. I'm not sure if this one, let's just get this off onto the floor a minute and then I'll go to the box. It's down here. Right, so, blimey, this is heavy. This cable is not light. So there we have it. So we have the Tesla wall charger in matte black with the signature. We have the mounting bracket. We have the user manual, some mounting support brackets, some screws and some covers to go over there. So there we have it. We have the Tesla wall connector in matte black with Elon Musk's signature. There's a Tesla logo going across the front and that shiny glossy paint. And then we have the mounting bracket that goes on the back that sits on top of there. And then we have the wall mount that goes on the wall. But then yeah, this is pretty much it. The this part goes into here, like so, and locks in like that when it's on the wall. And then of course this is the part that has that plugs into your Model 3, Model S or Model X. With the matte black finish again on this plate. I think this is a 7.5 meter cable. I'm not 100% sure, I will double check in a moment. But that is basically what you get inside of a signature edition wall connector. Very similar to what you get in the just the standard wall connector. The only difference is this front plate is silver, and of course this plate here is also silver. So that has been the unboxing of the Tesla wall connector signature edition. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, as we have a lot more Tesla related content coming soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.